Forgot your motherboard model or processor details? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to quickly find your system information in Windows. This is the Windows Club. If you do not remember the model number of your motherboard, processor capacity, etc., or you want to find the hardware specifications of your computer, you can find this information using built-in tools or third-party software in Windows. To find system information and computer hardware specs in Windows, you can use built-in system information tools or a free software. Let us see this in detail. Method 1. Using MS Info 32 tool. Windows comes with an inbuilt tool called System Information. As the name defines, you can find every kind of information related to the hardware configuration of your computer. From the graphics card to the motherboard to the processor, this is possible to get the information on your screen. To open the MS Info 32 tool using Run prompt, you need to press Win+R and type this command. Now you can find the necessary information on your screen. If you want to know about the graphics card or network adapter or anything specific, you can navigate to that section from your left-hand side and get that accordingly. You can also open the system information panel using the taskbar search box. You need to search for system information in the search box and click on the correct tool in the search result. Method 2. Find system information using command prompt. You can use command prompt to use the system info tool. Open command prompt with administrator privilege and execute this command. It takes a couple of seconds to show some basic information in the command prompt window. Method 3. Using free software to find hardware specs. The best free software to find hardware specs in Windows 11 or 10 are BG Info, CPU Z, Free PC Audit. BG Info shows the computer configuration in the background of your desktop. That means the hardware information is always visible unless you close the app manually. Thus, you can always keep an eye on the hardware and some software information if you want to do that. CPU-Z is capable of giving information on the processor, process, cache levels, mainboard, chipset, and much more. Free PC Audit is a desktop software that lets you find the hardware as well as the software system information of your personal computer. Using it on your PC is very easy as it doesn't come with any complicated settings. After opening this tool, you can find some basic information and that expands if you click on a particular hardware type such as motherboard, RAM, etc. You can download it from the official website. How do I find out how big my hard drive is in Windows 11? The easiest way to find the size of your hard drive is to open File Explorer and see the figures mentioned for each of the partitions and add them. You will get to know how big your hard drive is. Other tools that can provide hardware configuration information about your computer easily like Sandra Lite, MyTech System Information X, Highbeat System Information, Specky, Hardware Identify, GF Explorer. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.